We're going to use the distributive property here in number 16, multiply through by 9 and multiply through by the 3. We'll get 9x minus 18, strictly greater than 3x minus 21. Now we've got 9x's on the left side, only 3 on the right. Let's get rid of these and get all the x's on the left side. So let's subtract these out. So 9x's minus 3x is 6x's, minus that 18. That's now greater than negative 21. Now let's add this 18, so we'll get 6x strictly greater than. Now, negative 21 plus 18. 21 minus 18 is 3, but this is going to be negative, so negative 3. Now we're going to divide by 6, alert, but we're dividing by a positive. We're dividing into a negative, but that's not a problem. The only time we need to change this sign is if we multiply or divide by a negative. We're dividing by a positive. So we're going to get x strictly greater than negative 3 over 6, and when we reduce, we'll get x strictly greater than negative 1/2. Let's start 17 using the distributive property, where we're going to multiply through by the 5 and the 5 over here. Let's see where this takes us. So 5x and a 25, so we'll get 5x plus 25, and then minus the 6x, right? Minus that 6x. And then this will be less than or equal to, now multiply through here, we'll get 10x plus 5 minus 6x. See where we are. 5x's minus 6x's is negative x plus 25. That's less than or equal to, now 10x's minus 6x's is 4x's plus 5. We've got x's on both sides. I'm down 1 on the left, I'm up 4 over here, so I'm going to get all the x's on this right side. Let's get rid of this. It's minus x, so the plan here is to add x, right? We're going to add this x right here. So doing so will give us 4x plus x is a 5x. So we're going to be left with 25 on the left side, less than or equal to 5x plus 5. Now, get rid of that subtraction with an addition. We'll add 5 to each side, so we'll get 30 less than or equal to 5x. Now undo the multiplication by dividing by 5. Alert, we got an inequality, but we're dividing by a positive number. So that direction of that sign is not going to change. So we're going to get 6 is less than or equal to x. But that's awkward. So this is one of those things I typically want the x's on the left side. So I'm just going to flip this thing over. Right, just like pick it up and turn it over, and I'll get x less than or equal to 6. So the one I like to use is this. If you are younger than I am, I am that's why I always check this. I always check it. I am older than you are. Good thing I checked. So it goes like this. If you are younger than I am, then I am older than you are. And there's our solution.